So the experience that has impacted me the most this module or this time has been writing a better lesson plan. My lesson plans have been okay, but then I realized that it would be easier if students knew where to look for certain things. So I started for my checking for understanding questions where they pair share. I've actually started making them purple, and the students know about it too, so that way they can look ahead if they need to or want and read what questions I'm going to be asking. So then when I'm explaining, they can look ahead and see what to expect. So I think that's helped them to be better prepared for what I'm going to ask and to be more focused during our lesson to see what I'm going to be looking for in their answers as I'm explaining. And then a second thing that I have been doing is having higher expectations for my students. So recently I implemented that they have to complete both their full handout with whatever notes I take. Every student is responsible for taking notes. And also, everyone is expected to complete whiteboard problems when asked. And just having those two expectations, holding them accountable for those, because now I check it after every period, has changed my classroom a lot because the students are more accountable for their what they're doing in class. And I have, if they do not complete it, I have outcomes for that. So they have been more accountable, and I've been getting better results with my students. So just those little things changing has really helped me. And I actually went to a coworker to find that to help them because I had a couple students that every day would not write. So it's really changed the classroom for the better, and then just keeping up with it, it's been going really well. And then how has my mindset, tool set, or skill set changed? So one interesting thing that I found in this module was that there is a such thing as technology addiction, which I knew, but like I didn't know it was that that actually really does affect students, and it's so different than when I was going to school. And so that's just something to keep in mind that I did not know before. And I really liked how this module had tools and supports that help students dealing with different things in their lives. And then the question that came up during this module is just annotating my videos after I submit my lesson, and then make a follow-up video lesson and just annotating them. Last semester I found it easier, and this semester it hasn't been as easy for annotating or submitting the lesson. So I just had a question about that, and that was it. Okay, thank you.